He has food, all right, but he prefers these vitamins, all right. Look at this, they're that good. I mean, he came in to eat, but in reality he just said give me some vitamins, and he followed me for these, all right. So not only I guess it tastes good for them, but they're also very healthy and good for them too. So if you're ever gonna give them vitamins, these things are pretty good for them. Just keep them on their toes, all right. She's getting to an age that she's gonna start needing some of these, and if you crack these, they have something in the center, and that's what she likes it. They're soft and chewable, perfect for all age cats, all right. And make sure that you want to give the best advantage for cats. Have them take these vitamins. They're really good. And look at this. She loves it. She loves it. She really likes this. So look at this. Oh, come here. Look at that. Loves her vitamins. So highly recommend you guys. Let's get Chito his vitamins. We're gonna give some more to Chito because he likes his vitamins too. We're gonna give him another one. Here, Chito, you want another one? So he's an older cat that I have, and he requires a lot of vitamins too. Look how skinny he is because of his age too, but he really enjoys it. Look, he really likes it, and he's very picky eater, right? But today, first time eating for him, he really likes it because of the chewables in the center. They're very tender, perfect for all ages, because cats get older, they get sensitive teeth. He's asking for more, so let me give some more to him. Look at that. He is just loving this. So multivitamins, all right, all ages, breeds of cats, all right.